Sophia Lopez, but she has assembled a dominant tag team here. Tormenta, and tonight Tormenta will be teaming with Wrecking Ball. Who can stop these two? They're absolute powerhouses.
Well, as our Doc Series crew caught me coming to the studio yesterday on the phone with Sophia Lopez, this match was made as a result of Wrecking Ball getting herself involved with Tormenta, Princess Aussie's match, when Leia Makoa had to help Princess Aussie. Hold it.
Sophia's got the mic.
¡Bravo!
Oh, no.
Ya me extrañaban, ¿verdad? Sí. ¿Y saben por qué? Porque yo traigo a las mejores luchadoras del mundo y ahorita vamos a ver la última pelea. Así es que quiero que griten mucho y que claro que le aplaudan a mi clienta, ¿ok? Woo! And guess what? I found an amazing wrestler. Wrecking Ball from the wasteland!
From the wasteland?
From the wasteland.
Now she's representing people who aren't even from this planet.
Hell of a talent scout.
How do you prepare for an opponent like that? Those shoulder pads, an homage to the Legion of Doom. Hawk and Animal. Wrecking Ball is absolute monstrous.
This announce table almost didn't survive Wrecking Ball a couple weeks ago.
That's right. We had to have our cleanup crew in here for hours after the show. David, you had to pay them all overtime.
Something I hate to do.
I know, I could see it. You were squeezing that pocketbook.
I squeeze my pennies so hard Lincoln cries.
And their opponents from the beautiful country down under and the islands of Samoa, Princess Aussie and Leia Makoa!
Remember, fans, this was all set up because 3 weeks ago, Leia helped Princess Aussie. Look at that! They're flying around in the ring! Aussie's sliding into the rope! Immediately! This is the main event on our telecast today! Hopefully the TV time won't run out! Aussie flying! Tormenta on her feet!
Diving Hurricane Rana from Princess Aussie. She is...
Kicks! Kicks! Tormenta catches that one! And look at that roundhouse! And there Leia Makoa slams Tormenta against the chest!
Princess Aussie sent to the outside. That's not where you want to be.
All the momentum change. Tormenta on the outside, sliding through the second rope. Here comes Leia.
Princess Aussie goes out with a suicide dive. Dive to the outside.
And here comes Leia.
She's ready for some too.
All four competitors on the outside. You gotta love this, AJ.
That beat down 2 weeks ago as Princess Aussie and Leia Makoa fired up. They want some of Wrecking Ball. They want some of Tormenta. They're not going to stand for what happened.
No, they're not. Thrown back into the ring is Tormenta, followed by Princess Aussie and Leia Makoa.
Leia Makoa, Princess Aussie, great teamwork here. Send the Tormenta to the rope.
Double kick.
Savate kick.
Double. Down goes Tormenta, the international superstar.
2. Kick out by Tormenta. Tormenta.
Wrecking Ball has not been a force yet in this match, but now she's in the ring and she clobbers Princess Aussie.
That was a lariat. Have you ever seen anybody taken down like that?
That was pure power. Now she's kicking her, laying the boots into the Aussie.
Have we seen Wrecking Ball hit a maneuver yet, or has she just been smashing skulls?
I don't know if she knows how to wrestle.
I mean, her contest against Reina Del Rey last time was an absolute brawl. Like you said, AJ, I don't know if she does wrestling moves or if she's just going to straight beat her opponents.
Either way, I feel like she has a really great chance of winning.
Tormenta's now in the ring here with Princess Aussie, Wrecking Ball in the third rope. Coming down with a double axe handle into the midsection of Princess Aussie. Wrecking Ball wanted the tag, but now she's informing Tormenta. Add a little insult to injury there with the stomp. Wrecking Ball has Princess Aussie pulling her up the hard way. Princess Aussie's trying to fight out of it. but the power, the strike, the physicality of Wrecking Ball getting the better of Princess Aussie.
Wrecking Ball putting that boot right to the center of the back of Aussie.
But the secret weapon for Princess Aussie, you heard it. I'll let the crowd kind of take over there for a minute. They love Princess Aussie. They want to see her win here. They want to see her get the best of Wrecking Ball. Princess Aussie's got to use the crowd to get back into this one, David.
Well, they're also fans of Leia, because since they saw Leia joined by her mom and dad a week or so ago, visiting her in the Wild Center ring, that was something else.
Double team attempt. Kick to the midsection. Leia sent to the ropes. Wrecking Ball and Tormenta working well as a team here. Sophia doesn't give them any days off. She makes sure everybody's working on their tag team wrestling. Headbutt to Wrecking Ball. Headbutt to Tormenta. Little meeting of the minds there. I don't know what minds are there to meet, but hey, she tried.
He is not going to be intimidated. She doesn't care if it's 2-on-1 with two terrifying competitors. She's going to take them both on. And now she is cleaning house.
Leia is a star to beat. There's no doubt about it. She's shown it and proven herself. And her dad is so proud of her now that he's seen her live.
That's all she wants.
Wrecking Ball. And Leia got the pin.
Leia Makoa.
Your winners, Leia Makoa and Princess Aussie.
Sophia Lopez is beside herself. She can't believe her clients couldn't get the victory.
Yes, Steven, but let's provide the fans some clips of this great matchup.
That was some beautiful teamwork by Aussie, and that was a dominant victory by Lee.
Impressive victory, folks.